All right, welcome back to pre-calculus, and we are going to be almost at the end here. We're going to be wrapping up with well, not wrapping up, but go ahead and tackle number 11 today. We have a theater has 25 rows. First row has 19 seats, and each row that follows has 2 additional seats from the row preceding it. Determine the total number of seats in row 25, and determine the total number of seats in the theater. Okay, so you guys are going to be given these formulas. So this is not a set of formulas you really need to memorize. Okay, but clearly, right, we're going to be, we're starting with 19. The next row is going to have 21. The row after that is going to have 23, 25, dot, 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 dot. Okay, I probably should have used 1,000 so that nobody would be tempted to add this up, rather than just going from 19 to 25, or no, the first one to 25. Okay. So row 1, row 2, row 3. So there's a constant difference, right? It's 19 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 to get the next ones. Okay. So the way you get to the row 25, right? We're going to say A25 here. That's equal to that's equal to row 1, right? Or first one, plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, and d is, in this case, d is 2. It's the difference between two of these things. So we're going from row 1 to 25, so we're going to say this is 19 plus n minus 1. That's going to be 24 times 2. So 19 plus 48. What is that going to be? That's 20 and 50, and I borrowed 1 and 2, so borrowing 3, so what is that? 70 minus 3 is 67. Okay. That's how they taught you guys to do arithmetic in elementary school now. It's a good way. Don't let people tell you it's not, because this is how people make change. So, and then we want the total. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to say, well, we have 19 plus, and you can look at the formula too, but I want you to know where the formula comes from, okay? Plus 23 plus dot 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 plus 65 plus 67, right? That's the last one. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, well, this is 67 plus 65 plus 63 plus dot 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 plus 21, right? Plus 19. All right. So how many of these things are there? There's n of them, right? And what we're doing is we are adding the first piece to the last piece and dividing by 2. And you'll notice that all of these should give me the same value. Okay. So we have first one, last one divided by 2, because that's going to take that out, and then times how many of them were there. So there were 25, right, times, beg your pardon now, 19 plus last one is 67 over 2. Okay. Let's see here. What is 19 and 67? Right, that's 20 plus, again, 70, and I'm borrowing 4. 1 and 3 would be 4. So that's 90 minus 4 is going to be what? 86 times 86 over 2. I think that's 43, isn't it? So this is 25 times 43. I'm going to use my old algorithm. Sister Mary Agony would be so proud. Actually, she was division. 15, that's what, 21. It's going to be 6. Nope, it's going to be 0, 6, and 8. So it looks like we have 1,075 chairs. Right. So there we go. That's That's how many chairs you're going to set up. But yeah, you're given n over 2 a1 plus an, and you're given the nth term is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. You got to know what these things are, okay? But you don't have to memorize the formulas for this, okay? So nice, very like the canonical problem, the word problem for arithmetic secret series, okay? So we got one more to do, and I'll be right back, and we will deal with that one. Okay, very good.